from Growing Up Garage, and today we're gonna paint the bed with bedliner material.
Here's the bedliner material. That's what we're gonna do, huh? Yeah, are you ready to spray it?
Yeah.
All right, so now what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the hardener and we're going to put it in the bottle. And now you act like you're a bartender. You know, like that's how you make a martini, you know, shaken, not stirred. All right, now that that's all stirred up, we can take the lid off of it, and we will put the gun on. Now it's time to spray. All I'm trying to do is just get a nice base.
So we painted the roof white. Now we're gonna paint the sides black.
Alright, so like he said, we're going to go ahead and paint the bottom of this black. We've already shot the whole top white. We're going to go ahead and do all the inner wheel wells. We're going to do the sides. We'll do the inner back wheel wells, and then when we're all done, then we'll pull it all off. We'll mask the inside and shoot the inside black. So let's see how this does. So you're going to pull it. Everything's all painted. Before it completely dries, we're going to go ahead and peel all this off. That way when we peel it, it doesn't pull the paint with it. I'm Jeremy, and this is Kaiden, and you're watching our Road to SEMA Growing Up Garage Edition, and today we showed you how to spray your van with the bedliner material. So we showed you how to do the roof and how to also do the rocker panels. We also included doing the wheel wells in this. We did a killer job, right? Boom. So make sure that you keep following this SEMA build, and go ahead and subscribe to our YouTube channel, and be on the lookout for this guy's YouTube channel, Growing Up Garage, where we're going to be doing a lot more fun projects like this and other things that we have fun us Johnson boys doing. So hey, thanks for watching. Yeah? Boom.
And I'm feeling good.